If you could travel back in time to the Stone Age, you might hear a sound you never expected. Giant mammoths walk through the grass, making deep rumbles and trumpeting calls. Scientists believe their voices were like elephants, but even deeper and louder. Their massive trunks could make powerful noises that echoed across valleys. These sounds warned others of danger or called the herd together. Imagine hearing a mammoth at night while you camp in a cave. It would be both scary and amazing. The world of the cavemen was filled with wild sounds from animals we can only dream about today. The mammoth was one of the loudest and most unforgettable.